Are you worried your Gmail account might be hacked? Learn how to change your password in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps from your inbox to a new password. Let's get started. Start by going to the Gmail homepage in your browser. Then, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Manage your Google account. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Security and Sign In to open the security settings. Scroll down to the section called How you sign in to Google. Click on Password to begin changing it. Type your new password in the New Password field. Then, re-enter the same password in the Confirm New Password field. Finally, click Change Password to save your new password. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.